Assalamualaikum and good morning, people. And my name is Nur Shazwan bin Hasrizan, and I will be showing you guys on how to exactly calibrate an oscilloscope and how to measure peak to peak, which is VPP, a time period, and the frequency. Before we start, there's some safety precaution I need to take notes of, which is making sure to have proper grounding to prevent electrical shock, and also at the same time it helps maintaining the measurement accuracy. We also have to match the probe to the circuit voltage and the bandwidth, and also avoid operating in a wet condition. Now that's out of the way, here's what we need for our measurement: a power cable, a function generator, an oscilloscope of course, and the probe.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Ihran Ibrahim. I will show you how to set up function generator. Secondly, I will show you how to set up oscilloscope.
Okay, today I measuring VPP, period and frequency. So I show you the frequency use this. First then PZ, button PZ and load button F1. And then high Z button F2. And then setting frequency 1 KZ 5 F5, and then amplitude put to VVP, and then on button shift F1, and then waveform sine F1, and then auto set. And this oscilloscope waveform display. So that was all for me.
If you guys have any problems with setting up the oscilloscope, or maybe setting up the function generator, or maybe measuring, feel free to comment.